Because look at this. Like, you cannot tell me that I'm not ready to be America's Next Top Model, period. Okay? Like, alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump into our very first wig review of the 2024 year. You guys, I'm super duper excited because this wig right here that I'm reviewing today, y'all, she is all that, okay? Like, I'm super duper excited. So without further ado, you guys, today we are going to be reviewing a wig from Sensationnel. This is their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wet Lace Hairline Illusion Lace wig. I do have the style Glenna in the color light ash brown. And you guys, look at this stock card, honey. Do you see her? Like, she is serving everything that we need in 2024, okay? New year, new me, new wig. Who is this, okay? Period. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of Miss Glenna. And y'all, I've been wanting to get my hands on this wig for so long, but she always be sold out, like, literally. Always is sold out, and especially in this color. So I'm really about to see if she's giving what she's supposed to give. Y'all, I just had to struggle to get this box out that plastic. I don't know what type of security measures Sensationnel went through, but baby, they ain't want you to get her out that box. Okay, and as always, y'all, do not forget to keep your nets as well as your boxes if you do not have anything to store your wig units. And let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so straight out the box, I am getting a little bit of, just a few tangles, not nothing too crazy. Just a few. Go ahead and take this paper out. And here is a close-up of the stock card. She does come in a variety of different colors. We have 613, balayage caramel, balayage chocolate, balayage gold, balayage mocha, platinum, light ash brown, which we have, and then a T, 627, 613. And you guys, here are the close-ups of the other colors that this lovely unit does come in. And again, we have light ash brown. Let's go ahead and get into the construction. So we do have lace from ear to ear. We also have a lace, I like to call it a closure section because it's still not lace all the way right here, but we do have a generous amount of lace right here in the center of the wig. So we got a lot of parting space to work with. So you guys already know I'm definitely going to be styling this unit. And she does have two combs right here in the temple section. We have a comb in the nape as well as adjustable straps. So we definitely gonna see if she is big head friendly. And just by me tucking on it, I mean, she is giving some stretch. So we might have another big head friendly wig on our hands. And I do like how the lace, it does feel soft. Now I do notice that they did pre-pluck the hairline just a little bit on this wig, and they did give us some baby hairs. So I will give you guys a close-up of what this lace is looking like without any type of product. It does look like there is a slight tint to the lace as well, but it is picking up pretty transparent on camera. So this is what the lace is looking like. And we have some nice loose body wave curls. I definitely would already suggest, just by me running my fingers through it, you're gonna need a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush on you with this wig, because she definitely gives like she gonna be tangling. But alright, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the light try on of Miss Glenna and then jump into the install and review. Like my honey's blue. It's a big difference between me, you, and you. Ooh. And y'all, I really got to get me some more brown wig caps. This is an HD wig cap that I got on right now. I mean, I like that you are able to really transform your color with this one, but I don't really like the material of the HD cap. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide Miss Glenna on just to see what she is giving. Ooh. Ew, baby. 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 Okay, hold on. Hold on, wait a minute. Baby. 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 Y'all, I play all day, but I be so for real, like, do you say this? Do you say this? Who said a synthetic wig can't eat? Like, y'all. OMG. Okay. Ooh. Let me turn around so y'all can see the length, what she's doing. And y'all, she's coming all the way down. I am 5'1", and she's coming all the way down to the bottom of my back. I know I couldn't get it all the way for you guys, but she is pretty long. Oh no, camera, what are you doing? What are you doing? And here is a close-up, you guys, of what the lace is looking like before we go in with any customization. So this is what we are working with before we do any type of customization to this unit.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real from the app, about to pay out. Spending time, wind down, what is takeout. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them, leave them on red. I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby cause I always stay. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they
Okay. All right, y'all. So here are the final results of this wig install from Sensationnel Cloud 9 What Lace wig in this Glenna light ash brown. Baby, sis, Girl, bestie boo, do you see this wig? Like, y'all, I don't know why. I wasn't playing, y'all, but she was out of stock and I couldn't get my hands on her, but I see why. Like, I am a believer now about this wig. Y'all, let's just go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. Number one pro is the color. Of course, the color is amazing, okay? Like, I feel like I'm ready for the red carpet, period, okay? Like, this color is beautiful. I definitely think that she would look good on a variety of different skin tones. This is my first time trying an all ash blonde wig, so I was super duper nervous a little bit, but you guys, the color came out amazing. And I do love the body and the cut on the wig. There is a lot of layers, so it makes the curls nice and flowy. Another pro to this wig is the lace. I do like how easy it was to melt the lace into my skin, and I did go ahead and do some baby hairs just to give the wig a little bit of extra something something, but you do not have to do edges if you don't want to. And I do like the spacing of the lace, so we do get lace pretty much in this whole entire middle section and from ear to ear, so you are able to like do some flip over with her as well as pull her back from the face. So you do have a variety of different styling that you can do with this unit, which I definitely love as well. And the only cons that I have about this unit is it does tangle and shed. Like, you're gonna get some tangling and shedding, so you definitely want to make sure that you have a wide tooth comb or a powder brush on handy. And honestly, I would definitely say the wide tooth comb is better because it just glides right through. As you can see, it's taking me like a couple of combs to get through the ends. So the ends are where the tangles are. And what I would definitely do to preserve this wig is once it starts to tangle really bad at the ends, you can definitely do like a co-wash on it, or even just go in and cut it a little bit shorter. So that's probably what I would do, is cut this wig shorter. And I'll probably still buy it again because this color is just banging, okay? She is definitely making a statement for the new year, okay? Period. But other than that, I really have been loving this wig. Like, I'm talking some half been, like I've been wearing it. Y'all, I just love the wig. I love the curls, the body, the look. Like, it's just everything. Like, I feel like she's definitely giving Miss Jessica Rabbit right now. Like, y'all, this wig is the bomb. So as you guys can already see, I definitely would suggest adding this wig to your wig collection. She's getting a 10 out of 10 from me, okay? A 10 out of 10, baby, because look at this. Like, you cannot tell me that I'm not ready to be America's Next Top Model, period, okay? Like, Tyra, call my name. Call my name. But no, seriously guys, I hope that you all really did enjoy this wig review / install featuring the Sensational Cloud 9 wet lace wig, Miss Glenna. Definitely make sure that you leave a comment down below of your thoughts on this unit. Would you rock this unit yourself? Definitely let me know in the comments. And of course, do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.